Hi, my name is Lisa. Welcome to this exciting journey through commerce and finance. Today, we are going to explore the chapter Finance from our course, Finance, Futures, and Global Systems. In this session, we'll discover how money works, how we manage it in personal life and in business, and how it connects with larger economic systems. We'll learn about budgeting, saving, investing, and using financial tools smartly. We'll also see how technology and careers in finance play a big role in the world today. The goal is to help you gain real-life financial skills and introduce you to the exciting possibilities of financial careers. This session focuses on the core concepts in finance, the systems that support money management, and the global context. By the end, you'll know how to apply this knowledge to your own financial decisions. Basics of money and key terms. Money is a tool that lets us buy, sell, and trade with ease. A financial system includes banks and markets that help people and businesses move and use money. Key financial terms are crucial. Interest is what you pay when you borrow. Inflation is how money loses value over time. And ROI, or return on investment, shows how profitable something is. These are not just business terms. They help in everyday decisions. Whether you're saving money or planning expenses, these basics matter. Personal versus corporate finance. Personal finance is how individuals manage money, like saving, spending, or investing for personal goals. Corporate finance is how businesses handle funds, deciding how to raise capital and invest in growth. While personal finance aims at financial stability and planning, corporate finance aims to increase profits and shareholder value. Though they work at different levels, the tools used, like budgeting and forecasting, are similar. Understanding both gives you insight into your own finances and the world of business. Budgeting. Budgeting is planning how to use your money wisely. You compare what you earn to what you spend to make sure you don't go overboard. Budgets help avoid waste and ensure that there's money saved for goals or emergencies. Whether it's a simple allowance or a family income, having a budget means you're in control. Learning to budget now prepares you for making smarter choices as you grow older. Saving. Saving is setting aside money instead of spending it all. It prepares you for the future, whether for emergencies, education, or things you want. It can be done in piggy banks, bank accounts, or fixed deposits. Saving helps you feel secure and ready for surprises life might throw at you. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Investing. Investing means using your money to make more money. Instead of keeping all your savings idle, you invest in things like stocks or mutual funds that grow over time. Investing comes with risk, but it also brings rewards, especially if you start early. A concept called compounding helps your money grow faster when your earnings themselves start earning. Even small investments over time can grow into something big. Understanding loans. Loans are borrowed money you must repay, usually with added interest. People take loans for things like education, homes, or emergencies. There are different kinds of loans, and they come with terms and responsibilities. It's important to understand things like EMIs, monthly payments, and interest rates. Taking loans is okay, but only if you're confident about paying them back on time. Credit. Credit is a system where you borrow money now and agree to pay later. Your credit score shows how trustworthy you are in handling borrowed money. A good score helps you get better interest rates and access to loans when needed. You build good credit by paying bills on time and borrowing only what you can afford. It's your financial reputation, so treat it with care. Financial institutions. Banks, credit unions, and other financial institutions help manage money. They allow you to save, borrow, and invest safely. Different institutions serve different groups. Some are big and global, while others work in local communities. They keep the economy running by helping people and businesses use money efficiently. Knowing how they work helps you make informed financial choices. Financial reports. These reports show how well a business is doing financially. Key ones include income statements, showing profits or losses, balance sheets, listing what a business owns and owes, and cash flow statements, tracking money movement. These reports help managers, investors, and even you understand where money is going. They are like report cards for a company's finances. Cash flow. Cash flow tracks how money enters and leaves a business or household. Positive cash flow means you're earning more than you spend. Negative means the opposite. There are different kinds, like operating, investing, and financing cash flow. Watching your cash flow helps you avoid running out of money unexpectedly. It's a habit that keeps you financially healthy. Business forecasting. Forecasting means predicting what your finances will look like in the future. It uses data and past trends to guess future income or costs. Businesses use it to plan and avoid risks. Even at your level, forecasting helps with planning for savings or school events. It helps you stay ahead and avoid surprises. Capital markets. Capital markets are where people and companies trade things like shares and bonds. Companies use these markets to raise money, and investors use them to grow their wealth. There are two types: primary, for new sales, and secondary, for reselling shares. These markets are essential for business growth and national economies. Valuation. Valuation is about figuring out how much a business is worth. This helps people decide whether to buy, sell, or invest in it. Methods include comparing profits, assets, and similar companies. Understanding valuation helps you avoid overpaying or making bad investments. It's like price tagging a business. Financial technologies, FinTech. FinTech means using apps and digital tools to manage money. From online banking to investment platforms, FinTech makes finance fast and simple. These tools are user-friendly and often cheaper than traditional banks. They help people in remote areas access financial services. It's a growing field full of innovation. Careers in finance. Finance careers include jobs in banking, insurance, investment, and more. They require skills like analysis, math, and ethics. You can start with a commerce degree and grow with experience and certifications. These jobs offer stability and good salaries. If you like solving problems and working with money, finance is a great field. Careers in accounting. Accounting is about recording and analyzing money. Accountants work in businesses, helping with taxes, budgets, and audits. They need precision, trustworthiness, and tech tools like spreadsheets. It's a job that's always in demand. Every organization needs good accountants. Careers in investment advisory. Investment advisors help others manage and grow their money. They understand markets and guide clients based on their goals. You need licenses, strong communication skills, and up-to-date knowledge. It's a career that blends finance and personal interaction. It's also very rewarding, helping others secure their future. Skills needed in finance. Finance needs both hard and soft skills. You need to be good with numbers, think analytically, and explain things clearly. Ethics are very important too. People need to trust you with money. Practicing with real-life examples can help. These skills are useful in any career path. Summary and real-life tips. We've covered everything from basic finance to jobs and skills. Now it's your turn. Start tracking expenses, save regularly, and understand where your money goes. Talk to your parents or teachers about financial news or apps. The earlier you start learning finance, the better prepared you'll be for life. Finance isn't just about careers, it's about living smart and secure.